So in this video we are going to start learning Python, and this is very first video. So we start with what is Python. So Python is very easy to use, one of the easiest programming language to use. It is a general purpose language. This is the website of Python, www.python.org. Let's see the uses of Python. Python is a versatile and powerful language, and it is very popular. Language like Python, JavaScript are very popular in this recent time, and one of the reason why Python is so popular is this domain. If you are into AI or machine learning, if you want to get into AI and machine learning, Python is very important language, primary language. In fact, in machine learning, AI, deep learning and all that stuff, it is also used in web development. It has good frameworks like Django, Flask, Fast API, so you can create web application APIs with Python. There are also other uses as well. You can make scripting and automation if you are into cybersecurity, or in red teaming, penetration testing. You can use Python to make script as well. In testing, all Python is also used in game development. Not as popular or as mainstream language like C++ or C sharp in game development, but it has libraries and frameworks that you can use, something like Pygame. So it is pretty much everywhere. Just like JavaScript, Python is also one of the general purpose language. And one of the main advantage of learning Python is that it is easiest language, one of the most easiest language. It's, if you see its syntax, it's English like. So first we just as I said that this is the website of Python. So we need, for this language, we need the interpreter, right, to run this language. So we need to download you know uh, this Python interpreter. So we just download it. This is a pre-release, so let's download the latest version. You can download it from here, and let's download it, and then we will install it. Okay, so it is almost downloaded. Okay, now let's just install this. So because I already have this version, so let's go. If you don't have one, then it may ask different prompt to you, but just click next and it automatically does everything. Okay, so now it is downloading. Sorry. So it is working. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, meanwhile, let me go through the thing. You also need a code editor, something like VS Code. I already have it. If you don't have one, then go to VS Code, and yeah, you can download it from here. For Windows, for Linux and Mac, you can download it. If you don't have VS Code, you can also use other IDEs or code editor as well. Okay, so I think it almost, why it is taking so long. Let's wait for a moment. In fact, let me start the VS Code new file for before let's set up the basic things. Meanwhile, it will download. I think it has some issues, but let me see. Okay, now it's working. So meanwhile, I already opened up the VS Code. You use VS Code to write Python code. I think it's still taking so long. Let me create a file as well. Let me create lesson 1.py, because it's Python, it has extension of .py. Okay, so as you can see the the icon here as well. And let's open the file. Let me close this and let's see. But no need to worry, I think I already have one Python, but still let's wait for a moment if it complete within 1 or 2 minutes. I don't know why it's taking so long. Maybe this is upgradation. Yeah, it is almost completed. Let's see. So as I said that I already have the old version, so it is, it's like upgradation for you. If you don't have one, then successfully install. If you don't have one, then it's just a bit different. As I said, it will be different prompt for you, and you can easily download it. No need to worry. So it is already set up. Now let's see if we have Python is running or not, right? So let's type customary command, basic traditional command. We just start with this hello world in every language. So Python has this basic print command, and it print in this console. You can directly run from here, or you can use this console, just like I have this habit of using terminal. You can do this as well. Python, then name of the file and then extension. Okay, as you can see that we run the first program of hello world. So yeah, that's basically it. You need the Python interpreter, you need to install that, and this any other code editor, right? So this is basically first command. In next video we will see about variables and data types and all those other stuff. Step by step we are going to go through different topics as well. Thank you for watching.